Okay, here's a little video walkthrough. I'm not going to talk through this too much, but there's the stairs to the upstairs. Here's the living room. Right? Got a little thing going on up there, the loft. Gas fireplace. View out to the west. And then there's the view into someone's backyard. This is part of our backyard over here. Hopefully that tree will look nice. There's a little dining area. It's all carpeted. And we walk into the kitchen. And you see a Sub-Zero, which is nice. Nice big Sub-Zero, nice. And then there's the family room. I'm thinking of putting my office right here with the sofa over here. Kind of the same setup we have now. We'll see. Got a laundry room. Bathroom downstairs. Two-car garage. With lots of space, lots of shelves. Okay. Let's go take a look at the outside. He's gonna take the chicken wire off, as we just discussed. Here's the backyard. Nice double deck thing. Oh yeah, get that chicken wire off of there. We don't need that. We got a little courtyard over there. Covered area here, sort of. And a little backyard. Put a little grass. He said he'd plant some grass. And there's the back of the house. Let's keep going. Go upstairs. Nice little view out the front. Looking down into the living room. And there's the hallway. Put a little table there with a lamp on it. This is a small little bedroom or office deal. And there's a son. I thought I wasn't going to talk. Alright, there's one bedroom. Closets. Another bedroom. Closet. That first bedroom didn't have a closet in it. And then this is the bathroom for the kids. Rooms with a skylight. And then my room, master bedroom on the west view. I've seen these colors before. Gonna look with a little view. I have a sink right in the bedroom. Walk-in closet. And bathroom. Toilet. Not quite my bathroom, but I'm very happy with it. And there is your tour.